Hi, this video is the demonstration of the FUT linear scar, and I perform both the FUE and FUT scar, and I try to give as much demonstration as I can. Again, the result vary from one individual to another. Not everybody going to have the same result, but we're trying to give as much example as we can. Again, sometimes the scar can stretch and those stuff, but this is the demonstration of FUT linear scar versus the FUE tiny dots of scar. There's always pro and con for both, and I perform both the FUE and FUT. The FUT or the strip method, the pro is cheaper. You can move a big number of grafts per day. You can move 5,000, 6,000 grafts per day, and it's very and the growth rate is 5 to 10% better than the FUE. But the downside of the FUT or the strip method it's a little bit more invasive because we had to cut the strip out. The other thing is the linear scar. The linear scar will be visible if you shave the head, but you leave it long, no one can see it. The other downside, because we cut you open and suture you up, then it's a little bit more invasive than FUE, more painful, more bleeding. But again, they both are minimally invasive. The pain's not that bad, and can be treated controlled with medication. On the other side, the FUE, there's pro and con. The benefit of the FUE are less invasive, less bleeding, less chance infection. You have tiny dots of scar, and both FUE and FUT leave scar, but the FUE scar is harder to see. But the downside of the FUE it's more expensive. The number of grafts we can do is less, 3,000 grafts per day, and so then it's more recommended for mild to moderate hair loss, but it can be done for advanced hair loss. You're just going to need multiple surgery. The growth rate, both the FUE and FUT can have excellent result, but the FUE is around 5 to 10% less. It's not much of a difference. Thank you.